SAP SCM is all about making supply chains smarter and smoother. It integrates different processes to simplify operations. I'll share how it helps businesses save money and improve efficiency. Trust me, tackling global supply chain challenges is way easier with SAP tools. And don't worry, no coding nightmares involved. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Supply chains are like a relay race. You need smooth handoffs to win. Today, we'll look at the core processes that connect production to delivery. I'll highlight how these components reduce delays, improve satisfaction, and ensure you aren't left guessing. By the end, supply chains will seem less like mazes and more like highways. Think of SAP as the Swiss Army knife of supply chain management. From planning to logistics, its features cover it all. I'll break down tools for inventory tracking, supplier collaboration, and forecasting. It's like having a crystal ball, but for your stock levels. Integration is the secret sauce of supply chain success. It's about connecting the dots between planning, procurement, and delivery. I'll explain how reducing bottlenecks and improving decision-making can make your supply chain as adaptable as a yoga instructor. SAP S/4HANA is the superhero of supply chain tools. It gives businesses a unified platform with real-time data and automation magic. I'll share how it supports scalability and helps companies grow. Think of it as upgrading from a tricycle to a sports car. Demand planning is like playing fortune teller, but with science. We'll explore how SAP uses data to predict future demand and avoid inventory issues. Plus, I'll introduce AI tools that make forecasting a breeze. You won't need a crystal ball for this one. Inventory management is a balancing act. You don't want too much or too little. I'll show how SAP keeps track of inventory in real time, tackles inefficiencies, and optimizes costs. Think of it as decluttering your stockroom, Marie Kondo style. Procurement is all about building strong supplier relationships. They're like your co-stars in the supply chain drama. I'll discuss how SAP simplifies vendor processes, improves communication, and fosters long-term partnerships. Together, we'll turn suppliers into BFFs. Logistics is the lifeblood of supply chains. Without it, everything stalls. I'll explain how SAP coordinates transportation, tracks shipments, and cuts delays. Plus, we'll tackle compliance, because staying on the right side of regulations is always a good idea. Managing warehouses can feel like solving a giant puzzle. SAP EWM puts the pieces in place. It boosts efficiency, keeps inventory tracking sharp, and ensures optimal storage usage. With automation, we say goodbye to excessive manual tasks and hello to smooth workflows. Ever feel like production planning is juggling 100 tasks at once? SAP helps streamline scheduling, reduce waste, and improve coordination. With real-time monitoring, you're always in control. So, fewer surprises and more success. Quality control isn't just about finding issues. It's about preventing them. SAP automates inspections, ensures compliance, and helps track issues proactively. So, think of it as a built-in safety net that keeps your supply chain strong. Sustainability isn't just a trend. It's a necessity. SAP helps cut emissions, improve waste management, and support ethical sourcing. A greener supply chain is a smarter supply chain, both for the planet and for business. Data is power, and SAP ensures you have it at your fingertips. With real-time analytics, decisions are smarter and faster. Spot issues before they arise and optimize efficiency. Because surprises are for birthdays, not business. Nothing speaks louder than success stories. Here, we explore real businesses leveraging SAP and achieving remarkable results. These case studies show what works, what doesn't, and the road to a winning strategy. Challenges are just problems, with solutions waiting to be found. We'll discuss common hurdles, integration struggles, and expert-backed best practices. The goal: making SAP work smarter for you. We've covered the big ideas. Now it's time to wrap things up. SAP offers efficiency, insight, and optimization to reshape the future of supply chains. The takeaway: adapt, integrate, and evolve for long-term success. Your questions: bring the conversation to life. Let's dive into what's on your mind. From SAP's nitty-gritty details to big-picture insights, no question is too small, so let's hear them. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.